Welcome back to my channel. It's Georgie the bird. Hi guys, so I created a YouTube channel, and if you guys were wondering, but say hi to Georgie. Hi guys. I'm super excited to do this video because it's gonna be so exciting. Oh really? Yes. Okay, well, before we get started, please subscribe to him and to me as well, and like this video. Ready, Georgie? Yes. Okay. So basically, for this video, it's going to be special. You explain it. Okay. So today's video, we are going to be unboxing some brand new puppets, and we got these puppets at 5 BL, and we are going to be opening them today with me. Okay, so the first puppet, which one do you want to open today? I want to open this one, this square one. Yes. Okay. Well, if you picked it, then you picked it. Ready to open it? Yeah. Okay, let's show them. Okay. I got this beautiful one. Okay. You are so cute. Oh my God. This is so cute. I love this puppet. Okay, I think I'm gonna rate it a 9 out of 10. Just I wish he was green, like me. Oh, you want it to be green? Yes. Okay, well, I think he likes it because he's chewing it. And when birds chew stuff, that means they like it. Do you like it? Yes. I love it. What are you gonna rate it? I'm gonna rate it 8 out of 10. I just wish it was green. Okay. Next puppet is the cupcake puppet. Here it is. It's my favorite. I love the color. I love everything about it. It's super, super pretty. Are you ready to open it? Yes. Okay, ready to start opening. Oh my gosh. I think I am going to be rated at a 10 out of 10. It popped really, really good. And I like the colors. What do you think, Alba? I have it too. It's very pretty, actually. But should we give it to Isla? To who? Ah, you want to give it to Isla? Yes. Okay, we will give this to her later. So I'm going to give this to my sister. Right? Because he wants to. Yes. Oh, and I have one more puppet. And the puppet is super, super cool. Really? Yes. Okay. And yes, start opening the last one. This is the last puppet, guys, and it is a color changing butterfly. Yay! I love this color changing butterfly. I'm going to be opening it right now. I will even want to open it. Abba, help me! Help me open it! Open it! Okay, be patient. OMG. This is so pretty. I love it, Abba. it's a white color changing in the channel. So we are going to be showing you right now how it is right in the channel because it's super cool. I love it. I feel like this is not very yet. Hi. Wait. Aura came. Aura came. Anyways, about Aura, I'm going to be testing it out and guess how that it works in the channel.
This is gonna be it for more video.
And please subscribe to him because he really wants at least 10 subscribers.
Yeah, you guys. Bye.